Man, we've had our share of bad weather here in North Texas lately. It's kept me off the motorcycles and in the garage as of lately. But we got a tiny window the other day of a little bit of good weather. I got to go out and ride on a motorcycle that I'd never ridden before, and that's going to allow me to bring you the next addition to the MCrider Ride Along series. So let's hop on a motorcycle and let's go for a ride. You often hear me say on MCrider that we should not ride aggressively on the street, but that does not mean that we should not ride proactively. One of our goals is to provide time and space for ourselves on the street. Now, here's a situation where a simple lane change allows me to take advantage of our ability to accelerate quicker and create time and space for myself on the road. Watch for opportunities to create time and space for yourself on the street. Whether it means slowing down a little or rolling on the throttle, you want some time and space between you and the traffic around you. Here's a situation where having time and space help me out. Notice I have 2 to 3 seconds following distance between me and the car in front of me, and speeds are in the 70s, but that's all about to change. If you ride in the city, you often see cars involved in crashes because they fail to brake in situations just like this. Time and space will allow you to adjust your speed rather than react at the last second. Also, when you slow down, you need to know what's happening behind you, so check your mirrors and have a plan in place in case that driver behind you is not paying attention. On the highway, cars are constantly going to be moving in and out of your lane, blocking your view up the road. Following distance is one piece of the puzzle to give us time, space, and visibility. Another is lane position. Here, a shift from the left portion of the lane to the right allowed me to see well through the corner, allowing me to know what is happening further up the road. Drivers can be very unpredictable on the road. I have no idea what caused this driver to slam on their brakes and squeeze their car next to this concrete barrier, but it was a dangerous situation. Let's back this up and take a look at it again. This was a moment that I realized the darker car was going to slam on their brakes and pull off the road. But the bigger hazard for me was a silver car. What if that driver decides to swerve to the right into my lane? I moved to the right in anticipation of that, but thankfully everyone made it through okay. The key here is to always play the what if game and have an answer if the worst thing is what actually happens. Road strategy will always pay you back with fewer close calls, fewer incidents, and many more safe miles. That's why I'm a believer in it, and I'm always looking for ways to ride more intelligently on the road, so I can enjoy more scenery like this. Till next week, guys, it's Kevin with MCrider. I'll see you on the road. There are multiple ways to support the channel. You can become a member on YouTube at mcrider.com/member or support the channel through Patreon at mcrider.com/support. Either way, you'll get full access to the forum and the field guides, which will further the training that we release here on a weekly basis.